Good day, everybody. My name is Paul Akinluse. The installation I'm about to show you is a new installation where we use 1.5 kV inverter with one tall tubular battery to establish a power backup for a medium size home, and that's the installation. We have our installation done in a location in Lagos. We use Riderplus battery. For more information about your own installation, or you want us to get it done, or you want to do maintenance, call us on 080-380-15711. If you're outside Nigeria, +234-380-15711. And that's the installation. We have our breakers. Those are the two breakers. That's our marine board. We have the input breaker and the output breaker. That's the trunking pipe. That's the inverter itself. Soccer's power inverter. We later change our mind, not using more power again. And that's our knife changeover switch that you can use to decide between inverter and NEPA. And we go for a transparent one with a light illumination, which will tell us when there is light and when there is no light, and when the inverter is running. That's the building itself. That's the inverter itself. Thank you very much. And we use a battery rack that can accommodate two batteries, because the clients have a plan of adding another battery to it with time. And the inverter has a display unit which will tell you the current condition of the whole system. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please ensure you subscribe. Thank you very much.